Dongseo Autotech, the leading manufacturer of automation equipment technology. Dongseo Autotech was established as Dongseo Precision in 1986. We started developing multi-forming machines in 1991 and have spent the last 30 years making factory automation solutions. Dongseo Autotech has been recognized as a potential small and medium-sized export business with certification for the Quality Management System and CE mark, as well as patent registration for devices, considerably enhancing its values in the international manufacturing market. Dongseo Autotech's multi-forming machine is a crucial piece of automation that can carry out bending, tapping, welding, and assembling in a single step. A departure from the conventional press approach, where a single part required numerous pieces of machinery. Our multi-forming machine is a precision processing device suited for the mass production of electrical, home appliances, automotive, and high-quality components. With just a single mold, its fundamental tools enable small-scale manufacture of related multi-type items. It is an efficient and safe equipment that detects material exhaustion or abnormal mold growth and shuts off immediately. Make up the multi-forming machine: the bending slide unit, the basic tool unit, the bending unit, the press unit, and the feeding unit. The bending slide unit, a feature of multi-forming machinery, moves forward and backward by the push cam and the back cam, allowing the upper and lower dead points to be modified using fine adjustment bolts. The basic tool unit, consisting of a guide block, a disc plate, and a reel cam, has the ability to precisely move punches that standardize the makeup of the bending unit and facilitate mold replacement easier. The bending unit may process the shape of any product. It is simple to slide up to 11 sets. Furthermore, precise pressing through press unit is possible. The feeding unit clamps the coil-shaped wires and plates at a feeding angle of 90 degrees or less, depending on the desired parameters for accurate transfer. The size and power of our multi-forming machine, which is equipped with such components, vary according to the parts it produces. The multi-forming machine from Dongseo Autotech is an automated tool that enables a single, fully automatic process from material supply to discharge. Through creative material reduction, it boosts high value added and makes clients' manufacturing lines more cost-effective. Since entering the markets of Iran and China in 2010, Dongseo Autotech has expanded into a number of other nations, including India, Turkey, and the Czech Republic. Given our ongoing efforts to adopt customer satisfaction management, Dongseo Autotech has earned the trust of our clients over the past 30 years. Dongseo Autotech is working to automate factories in the future by creating huge machines and envisioning a variety of autonomous technology-based automation facilities.